Blessed loving people, blessed love. I'm in the farm today. Finish with the weeding nut. Finish with the weeding nut of a sweet potato. All I want is some rain. And some rain up, people. Need some rain on it. And this year, if you have bird giving you trouble in your farm, just put up on this in your farm and keep out the birds. So if a bird is giving you trouble, just put up one of this. So people, all I want on this now is some rain. And people, thank you for the support. Thank you for watching my videos and like up my videos. And thanks also for the comment. Okay, my people, bless upon yourself.